Hey guys, Mr. B here. So today I've got this 2006 Ford Crown Victoria, and it has quite a few just weird random electrical problems. So what it's doing is the turn signals don't work, the blower motor doesn't work, the ABS and the brake light are on, and there's no communication with the scan tool, and the odometer doesn't read on the dash. Okay, a lot of weird random problems. You wouldn't think that they would be related, but they are. Okay, if you have those issues, check that fuse right there. Okay, I put a new one in. All those problems are cured. I'm going to pop the old one in. It's clearly blown. I'm going to show you guys what it's doing. So for whatever reason, that fuse there powers up the blower motor, the odometer for the instrument cluster, and the ABS module. Kind of a weird one, but and the turn signals too, the module for the turn signals. So that fuse is blown right now. I'm going to show you guys what it's doing. So the brake light and the ABS light are both on. The odometer is not working. The fan is not working. And the turn signals are not working. I'll pop the old one out. Put the new one in, start it up. Oh, and would you look at that? Brake light and ABS light are now off. The odometer now works. The fan now kicks on. And both turn signals work. So again, it's just a weird random problem. I'm not too sure why all of those circuits are lumped into the same fuse. Got one of these Crown Vics, check that first. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe.